Hello, it's Mafia Wars Master. I unboxed this 2 months ago and deleted the video on accident. But this will be the review of the M4 Carbine automatic electric airsoft rifle. It's made by, as you can see, maybe you can't. Now you can. Golden Eagle. It's got the enhanced top-up system, Metal Gear wheel box, electric powered, electric carbine, 6mm M4 weapon system, overall length 33 inches, ended 29.8, retracted, barrel length is 14.5 inches, the weight of the gun is 5.9, full and semi automatic electric airsoft gun, full auto firing speed 500 to 1000 bullets per minute. Stock, it's like 500 if you get a new one. Initial bullet speed is 330 foot per second. Use 0.2 gram bullet. This is the enhanced version, and I've already chroned it. It shoots 410 foot per second with .20s. I bought it from Airsoftmegastore for just for the gun is $129, I think. It's the best price around. What this gun comes with is your little doodly doll, packed in just like this. Phone, has your gun, of course. Comes with one mag. I ordered 2. My other one's at my neighbor's house when we had an airsoft battle. So it comes with this, that. Oh yeah, the rail is supposed to be on there. Your battery and that. That's all I believe it's supposed to come with. Give me a second. Let me see if I can get you guys into better light. Alright, there's the gun itself. I know I got a mess. Let's clean that up. It's from where my dresser fell over and had a lot of stuff on it. Anyway, let's start with the, yeah. Here's the battery charger. .300 round high capacity magazine. Oh, it also comes with a butterfly winder. It goes into that little hole, or you can just wind this style. And this rail. Here, let me put it on real quick. Alright. Now let's start from the butt of this gun. The 6-point adjustable stock. It's 6. Oh, it was supposed to be 6. The stock itself is ABS plastic. This is rough right here. It actually is nice. This Sling Catch thing. What is it called? Sling something. I'm sorry about the shadow. Let's turn around. Alright, that should be better. The part that connects the stock to the gun is full metal. The fire selector switch. It's actually a really nice fire selector switch. You got save, semi, and then full automatic. That's plastic or metal, I don't know. some people say it's plastic, some people think it's metal. It's hard to tell. Trigger is also plastic and or metal. That's also very hard to tell because they're cold to the touch. What I think it is there's metal inside of it and like plastic covering. Your trigger guard, your block guard is metal. Your pistol grip is plastic. This does absolutely nothing. It's just there for looks. Flip the gun over, you got this catch, and then your mag release. That is metal. This is not. This does absolutely nothing. If you pull your charging handle, your dust flap pops open. If you pull it even farther, it reveals your hop up. Your hop up works pretty well until about 75 feet and the rounds start flying up, so I recommend at least .20s, maybe .23s are the best. Your iron sights, the sights themselves are metal. Not this carrying rail, that's not metal, but the sights are metal, along with the slight adjusting wheels are not, though. Come farther up the gun, you've got your exploded hand grip. The collar to hold it on is full metal, and to take that off, sorry, I'm trying to take it off. You gotta pull the collar. Like that. And then your battery goes in there. I haven't really had problems. Some people say it's a really tight fit, but I haven't really had problems. Your barrel is full metal. Your front sight is full metal. Along with your sling holder, once again, is full metal. You got this really orange, extremely orange flash guard. And now to the actual review part. That's all metal pieces of the gun and the gun itself. It comes with a 1100 milliwatt amp hour Golden Eagle. I think it's 8.4 volt rechargeable battery and a Class 2 power supply. Model XY01-18. Input 120 volt AC. 60 hertz, 70 milliamps, output 12 volt DC, 300 milliamps. So it charges it, because if you divide it right, this battery should charge fully in about 3.5 hours. And it lasts, about 4, maybe 5 clips if you're lucky. Which is actually pretty good, considering each of these holds 300 rounds. And if it does at least 3 of them, it's still 900 rounds. And that's not bad. It does an average of like 1,200, like I said the first time, on a single charge. So it's not very bad. So, that's pretty good. In here you've got your fuse box, which I've had to buy a new fuse once. Make sure you get a heavy duty fuse, because if you don't it will blow it right back straight to everything. Let's see. Alright, if you see these pins, if you take this one out, the gun folds open, you take out your barrel and everything, but I'm not going to do that again, because my gun got screwed all the heck because I did something wrong. I will make a shooting video of it whenever I get a chance. The schedule's been kind of busy. Oh yeah, and on the barrel, I'm sorry about my camera, it's crappy, I know. My good one broke, so I ordered a new one off eBay, and it should be here any day. It actually says, crap, it's hard to hold a camera at the same time. 6mm NATO 17, and it says CMP up there at the top. In my opinion, very good gun. for beginners, even amateurs, but it needs a new battery for serious airsofting. Thank you. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.